You're simply looking at a 120 billion parameter AI model running on my iPhone. The model, well, it's actually running on an NVIDIA DGX Spark, and every response that you're seeing right now is being streamed live through LM Studio's LM link directly to my iPhone. So anywhere I go, I can chat with a 120 billion parameter model as if it was natively available on my iPhone. This is the power of private compute that NVIDIA DGX Spark gives you. Let me show you how exactly I built this entire setup. So let's start. In this video, I'll start off by installing LM Link into DGX Spark. I'll first download the LM Studio application on my DGX Spark. The installation is now complete. All I have to do right now is either restart my terminal, which will kind of add LMS, which is LM Studio, to my path. So let me go ahead and restart my terminal. The first thing that I want to do right now is I want to download Qwen 3.5 2 billion parameter size model on my DGX Spark. So the command to do that is lms get and the model name. It's basically a 1.94 GB model. So you can clearly see the downloading process as well. Now once you have downloaded the model, for it to be available across the different devices that you link with LM Studio through LM Link, you have to load the model as well. So the way you load the model is lms load Qwen -Qwen 3.5 2b. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to basically download the LM Studio app either on your Windows machine or on your Macbook machine. It's a fairly simple installation. All you have to do is click on next. Essentially you will have the interface ready in your Windows or your Mac machine. So which is where this entire application comes in handy. It also gives you a pop-up like LM Link is now available on iPhone. So just to give you context, LM Studio is running on my MacBook. There is LM Studio that I've configured on my Spark. I basically have to enable the LM Link, which is where you will have to write in the commands lms login and lms link enable to link between the device that you're using, which is your current laptop, as well as DGX Spark through which I want to make inferences. Once you do that, I think then you will have a link established between your MacBook and DGX Spark. Very simple process. All you have to do is run this and you will have everything up and running. The third piece of the puzzle that I want to solve is I want to basically install an app by LM Studio itself called Locally, which gives you access to LM Link as well. Once you have the entire setup, again for all three logins, LM Studio, you will have to log in through your email ID or whatever you're comfortable in, but having one set of login will help you establish the LM Link. Now once you've done that, this is how things will appear for you. So here it clearly tells me that I have an iPhone connected to this link, I have my Spark connected to this link, and now when I say click on Spark, so this is the power of LM Link. I'm able to link iPhone, I am able to link Spark as well, and I'm running all of these linkages in my MacBook. Now let me stick to this entire setup on my MacBook. Now what I'll do is I'll click on select a model to load. If you remember, Qwen 3.5 2 billion model is already running on my DGX Spark. I type in the chat, hello Qwen, tell me something interesting about life. And within a flash of a second, I'm not even executing this part of the video quickly. All of this is happening instantly in front of me. It says hello while I don't have any personal experience and so on and so forth. It was very quick, and if you look at the output, it says 129.28 tokens per second, 290 tokens were generated in less than 0.1 seconds. This is the power of having your own private compute that you can play around with. All of this is again powered by DGX Spark. Now once you have this up and running, the next part is where things become more interesting. Using the same link, I select the model. I select Qwen 3.5 2 billion model on my Spark. If you can just imagine what we've achieved here in this entire setup, I can literally avoid using any cloud LLMs for my use cases. All of what I want to chat on, all of the data that I kind of share with an LLM stays within my DGX Spark setup. Within a blink of an eye, it's able to generate this entire response. Like, I am truly mesmerized looking at this output. So I can go on and on, but I just wanted to land this idea in terms of how amazing private compute is, all thanks to DGX Spark. If you are a research lab, or if you are planning to do some fine-tuning task, or if you have some agentic workflows that you want to compute and run on private data, I would highly recommend you to go forward and buy NVIDIA DGX Spark. I'll attach the link to NVIDIA DGX Spark in the comment section. Do check it out. And this is something that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found this informative. Thank you.